Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Uranium Energy Corp, and here on this chart we have been tracking this triple 1-2 setup. So 1 2 1 2, sorry, and then 1 2, and now would be in the first third wave that I would expect to actually develop and complete in a timely manner. Now I expect all of these 1-2 setups to complete their third, fourth and fifth over time, but for now I would say that here we have another double 1-2 setup. So 1 2 1 2. It could be that this is a smaller 1 2 and then another 1 2. That is debatable, doesn't matter at the moment. And then we are tracking this third wave to the upside, and I would actually say that this third wave is complete. And yeah, I am looking to find support now in this wave 4 within this support zone between $9.41 down to around $8 level at the 50% retracement level. If we actually invalidate this, yeah, it wouldn't be great, but this chart is quite bullish. The structure is quite nice, and yeah, it did hold overall today much better than the counterpart that we have on energy fuels that we are tracking. It dropped like half of the amount, I believe. And yeah, as I said previously, this is quite a bullish structure on this chart. And even though we didn't follow through with the yellow interpretation that I presented as a higher risk scenario in the previous video, it did have quite a good chance, in my opinion, to hold up and work out, but it just didn't this time. Doesn't mean it was a bad idea to track it, but for now it got invalidated completely, or I wouldn't say necessarily completely, because I could realistically still say that okay, this is still a 1-2 setup that is developing, is just a larger 1-2, but then the support zone would be pretty much fully within the larger support zone in white, so it wouldn't change much, it wouldn't matter in terms of where we expect to actually go within this larger correction that is developing at the moment. And I could say that this correction could end quite shortly, because we have so far an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave that seems to still be developing. But one issue I have with that is that then this fourth wave would be kind of short compared to what we would have in this 1-2 setup, or even this 1-2 setup. So this wave 2 would have been much deeper and much longer than this fourth wave. So I might find it quite likely that this develops into a larger ABC, and how that develops doesn't matter too much. So far, I would say that we could have two interpretations of how it develops, but let me first add this to the chart and in white. And yeah, I could say that this is just a simple ABC that is developing, and then we are looking for a 1 2 3 4 5, and then C wave completes here, and I would be looking to find resistance in the area, let's see, actually between around $9.70 up to around $10. I could say something slightly more different, where it would be like this, and I would mark this as yellow, and then I would be looking to find resistance in the area. Let me grab a different template, I misclicked, but in the area between $9.70 down up to around $10.20. So not very different, but overall I looked here at the micro time frame, and this third wave looks clearly like a 5-wave move to the downside, but this wave 1 does look more like a 3-wave move to the downside. So I could argue that we are developing here in yellow a 5-wave pattern to the downside. It could be a WXY, but I do still see further downside anyway, so I don't think that would work out. But I could see a wave 1 down in an ABC, a wave 2 up in an ABC, a wave 3 down also in an ABC, and then the 4th and the 5th to follow also in an ABC, completing an A wave. Now, if we follow the yellow scenario, meaning we break above the white scenario interpretation, or that we form a more complete 5-wave pattern to the downside, I would find it even more likely that we will get a larger B wave retracement then, and then still a C wave before we actually complete this wave 4. If we only complete this as an A, B, C to the downside, I will consider it possible that this wave 4 completed here, and I will count for the upside. I will look for the upside with even more intention, let's say. But for now, I believe we are still looking for at least another low within this area. We did reach the first level in the support zone, but yeah, this is the entire room that we can allow for this wave 4. And for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.